Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Opera browser on your Honor 50 Lite. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and right here press on the search. Now type Opera and press the loop right here. Now when you see this, press install. Now open. Continue. Enable ad blocking, enable tracker blocking, and set Opera as default if you want. Set as default. Allow. And now you have the fully working Opera browser. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.